Hi guys, my name is Brittany and I'm the owner and founder of Snoozy Mama Sleep Solutions. So many of you guys have reached out to me wondering how to completely take the netting off of your SNOO. In this video, I am going to go over a step-by-step guide on how to completely remove the netting, wash the netting, and reapply the netting. Along the way, I will also be offering tips and tricks and troubleshooting for those tricky areas on how to reassemble the SNOO back together. So now that you have your mesh disconnected, you can lift up and see how much dirt is on the inside of your SNOO. Swivel it so you can suck up all of the dust and dirt on underneath the base. And we're just going to take our wipe and clean that off. It should come off pretty easily. I take my hook, I go right in the middle here, and I lift up, and it should come off. As you can see, there's two hooks on the side and one in the middle. When we take off the netting, we just want to hook the middle. This should just fall off at this point. Once you get the top out, the bottom easily slides out. And we can now remove the entire netting. So after you have all your clips in and your SNOO is dried and clean, you're ready to go.